Hello dear students, we continue to solve problems from Fermat mathematical contest by University of Waterloo. This is question 12 from year 1998. So we're given this diagram. Hello dear students, we continue to solve problems from mathematical contest by University of Waterloo. This is year 1998, grade 11, question number 12. Right, so we're given this diagram, so we have 3 points. Point A with coordinates 4 and 4 square root of 3. Point C that lies on the x-axis with coordinates 8 and 0. And we're giving point B, I forgot bracket here, with coordinates 13 and y, right? So we need to find coordinate of, y coordinate of point B. Okay, so this is not a hard question. There are different ways to solve it. So because we're all in grade 11, we know tricks. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw perpendicular from point B to x-axis, right? So it means this point here, let's make it point D, will have coordinates 13, 0, right? 13, 0. So this angle is 30, right? So what, and we need to find this coordinate, right? So we know that tangent of any angle, right? In this case, angle C, this one, will be equal, it's a ratio of this leg, BD, over CD. Okay, so let's find, so what is BD? Length of BD will be difference in coordinates, right? It will be y minus 0. And what is the length of CD? It will be 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. So what we have is y over 5. Okay? So we have our ratio. But on the other hand, we know that tangent of 30 degrees equals to 1 over square root of 3. So now we have 1 square root of 3 equals to y over 5. And from here, y equals, so we'll multiply both sides by 5, right? So y equals to 5 over square root of 13. So here's our answer. Hi again, it's me. This is Zor. So actually this question can be solved, I just thought for a minute, and this question can be solved another way if we don't know tricks for some reason in grade 11. So we can solve it through slopes. This is grade 10. So we can draw perpendicular from point A to x-axis, right? And coordinate of this point, let's make it point E. So coordinate of point E will be 4, 0. Okay, so now we can find slope of AC, right? Slope of AC equals to rise over run. So rise will be rise will be 4 square root of 3 minus 0, right? And run will be 4 minus 8. Okay, so slope of AC will be square root of 4 square root of 3 over negative 4, or just negative square root of 3, right? So slope of AC, this line, will be negative square root of 3. Now, what can we say about AC and CB? Looking at the diagram, we can see that this angle is 60, this angle is 30, right? And those are supplementary angles. So they add up to 180. It means that this angle will be 90 degrees. So it tells us that AC perpendicular to CB, right? And how slopes of perpendicular lines are related to each other. Let's remind ourselves. They have negative reciprocal slopes, right, to each other. So if slope of AC equals to negative square root of 3, it follows that slope of CB will be negative reciprocal of square root of 3. Negative reciprocal of square root of 3 will be positive 1 over square root of 3. Okay? And now we back to the first solution, right? So slope of BC equals to run over rise. So run will be y minus 0, and run will be 13 minus 8. So it will be y over 5, and it equals to, we already know the slope, it's 1 over square root of 3. And from here, y equals to 5 over square root of 3. Okay? Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next question. I'll see you on the next question. Don't forget to subscribe. Visit our website. For those of you who live in Calgary, we encourage you to visit our center. We do a lot of stuff here, and we keep adding programs. If you want to participate in math contest, Waterloo, Kangaroo, any of the math contests that run here in Canada, we're a place where you can get help and get prepared for those contests. If you need, for grade 1 to 8 students, we run Math Singapore program for these grades. Very, very good program, better than any programs run by other centers. So visit us. In addition, we have chess and robotic classes. So all here in one place, one stop. I'll see you on the next question.